Yeah, I'm waiting for other candidates to join us. Welcome all of you. Nikhil Wagh, Shubham Gupta, Sachin Gaikwad. Please come. Please come. Good. Very good. We are starting early itself. Good. Sachin, how can I authorize you so that you can admit people directly? How can I do it? Sachin?
Yes, sir.
How can I authorize you so that you can authorize?
Just click on the profile, sir, and there is the option to make a co-host or host.
Achha, click on your profile.
Yes.
And ask to start video chat, hide, make, allow to record files, allow to multi-pin, put in waiting. What is that? Which one?
No, sir.
Make host.
Yeah.
I made you host. Yeah, good. Make host. So if you can, if somebody comes, you can permit them.
Yes, sir. Just I want to ask, sir, about my video, sir, because the system is showing my own video to me.
Yeah.
So I am asking.
So you want to show your video? No.
Sir, I am not able to see my own video. I have turned the camera on, but I have to ask you.
Okay. Yeah, it is coming clearly.
Okay.
It's coming very clearly. Shubham Gupta, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. And Priti Tonde, good evening. Nikhil Wagh, good evening. Acha, could you come across any new questions apart from what we have discussed earlier, Sachin?
Yes, sir. Sir, Prajwal had his GT today. So he has a new topic, sir. He had a new topic for him.
No, what was the topic given?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In that topic, I'm reading the topic. You are working in the bank. You are tired. You are tired now, and your working hours are completed. But at the last minute, you find that one mail is sent to wrong person, and this mail contains confidential information. What will be your stand?
What working hours are completed? After that, what?
Yes.
After that,
working hours are completed, and at the last minute, you came to know that the mail is sent to a unknown person, and the mail consists of a confidential data.
Oh, that a mail has been sent to a wrong person, and it contains confidential data. Okay, very good question. Good question. It's a good question, but it's very tough for people who have not worked in banks and all that, because they cannot perceive what is the scenario and all that. Now, will you start reacting to this, Sachin?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am Sachin. I'm glad to start this discussion. And here we are in the dilemma that what we should do in such situation. So according to me, this is not a very serious topic in accordance with the bank. So I would first take this scenario towards the upper management, and also at the same time I will contact the IT department so that they can help me. I will ask for the IT department help in the first scenario.
Acha, good. Yeah, and now Shubham?
Yes, I agree with Sachin. It's a very serious problem, and as it contains a confidential data of a bank, we should immediately inform the senior. And as Sachin told, we should act on emergency basis with our IT cells so that we can retrieve the data, or we should block the confidential data.
I will come to it. Next, Nikhil.
I agree with you all guys. According to me, this happens rarely in organization. So we have a technical team to handle this kind of situation. So we should proceed this information to our technical teams.
Yeah,
Thank you.
very good.
According to me, sir, according to my knowledge, the one sent mail is not retrievable. There is no provision from the mail company that we can unsend them send messages. So according to me, we can take a tricky way that we have to send the 5 to 6 dummy mails to that person, so that he may consider that it's only promotion by the bank, and it is not a confidential data from the bank. He will not take care of that message seriously. It's only a chance, sir.
Mhm. No, no, I understand that. But in Google, there is an option, undo what you have done. But if it is within the 2 or 3 minutes, it
Yeah,
can be
yeah,
done.
yes,
But
yes,
not,
Yes.
not after that. Since you have sent a mail 1 hour back, you cannot retrieve it. Even your IT team cannot retrieve it.
Yes,
So
definitely.
it depends on to whom that mail has been sent. If he is living in the same city, you can call upon him and have a discussion with him to request him to delete that mail, or if he is a good person. But if he is a cantankerous person, possibly he may not do so. So, but if he is staying far away from your place and you have a branch in that place, you can ask your branch people to go and talk to him. Do you get my point?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Or
Yes.
if you do not have any branch in that place, if you have some other important customer on whom you can rely, you can request. But of course, that all these things should be done only with the consent of your boss.
Okay.
Never can you do something without the consent of your boss. This is similar to the question in IT companies. Normally, they ask, you have joined our company. Would you tell a lie on behalf of the company since it can get more business for us? So, this is a very ticklish question. So, what will be the answer you will give, Sachin? Would you tell a lie for the company if
No,
you find it is going to be useful for the company?
it's a very in the dilemma, sir, that if I'm the part of the company, I will do that.
You will mail?
I will. Sir, pardon, sir. The question is it in
No, no,
accordance with this topic?
not related to what you said. It is similar to another question. This is available in the book written by me on GD. Here an interview. Here it says you have been selected and working in a company. In that company, you have to tell a lie to your customer. And if you tell that lie, it will be beneficial for the bank or the company. Would you tell that lie? If that it is a very ticklish situation, like say, have you stopped smoking?
No,
Have
sir.
you?
I will not at all lie to the customer, because according to my ethics, it is not allowing me to do. If I do that, and if I don't do that and company takes some action against me, I am ready for that actions, and I will manage myself in that inquiry.
Very good. That's okay. Now we will get back to the topic you gave me, namely, an email has been sent. An email has been sent, and it contains confidential information. And how are you going to retrieve this? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Some Venki Yadav is coming. Yeah. So now others who have not participated, you can tell your views. Others who have not participated, like say Rahul Jadhav, just now you have come. Jishnu Sri Kumar. Jishnu Sriram Kumar,
Yes, sir.
you are working in a bank. At the working hours timing is over. Working hours timing is over, but you find you have sent a mail to a customer, and that contains very confidential information that should not be passed on to others. How will you react? It is already 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the evening, or 8 o'clock in the evening also. Then at that stage, you come to know of this. You have sent a mail about an hour or two earlier. How will you deal with this situation?
Sir, first of all, I would inform my senior about this situation, and as a precautionary measure, I will send a follow-up mail to that current person who received this mail that this is a false information. Kindly ignore it.
Chacha, you will request him to ignore the message. That is what you
Yes.
say. Whether it is a correct stand or no, we don't know. But what steps are you taking? That is what is to be ascertained. Now, Rahul Jadhav, are you there? Did you listen to the question I told? Can you?
Yes, sir. I listen.
Yeah, please tell me.
Good evening, sir. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
friends.
Good evening.
First of all, I will meet. I will try to meet the person who get these emails by mistake from me, and the manager of that company. I will meet with that manager and try to explain that by mistake I mailed you, and you have to just delete that message, confidential message, and if he did not, I will take the legal action against him.
I don't know what type of legal action can be taken in that case. I don't think you can take any legal action. He never wanted that message. You only sent him that message. And now it is all right for you to say that he should not use the information prevalent therein, but you cannot force him to delete it, or you cannot take action against him for not deleting it. That's what I believe. But this is a legal matter over which we cannot say anything. There are different ways. See, you have sent an email to a party, and that email should not have been sent. It contains confidential information. How are you going to deal with this situation? Huh? How can you recall that message? If they have already read it. No. You have sent a message. You are working in a bank. Already timing is over. Now it is 8 o'clock in the night. You come to know you have sent an email to a party containing some confidential information about our bank. Then what action will you take? Good. So the first reaction is that to report to your immediate boss. That is a most important way. That's good. Sachin?
Yes, sir.
This is first option should be, I will report this to my boss.
Yes, sir.
And based on his suggestions, I will do whatever he is suggesting to me, because there is no the correct action that can be taken in this regard. It is not like 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It's not so. So you will take the direction of your boss and accordingly proceed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. Good. No, I was just talking to others here in my house to check up what stand they will take, because they must have had similar experience earlier. Very good. Now, nice. Joe, Mr. Joe, can you talk now? Joe?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me, what will you do under those
Like two things I would do, and just like how you said it. First would be like I would report it to my boss, my senior, who would take the appropriate action, as well as I would state an apology letter to the customer or the party that I send as well regarding the information which I share. This would be the two measures that I would be taking personally.
You mean to the party for whom email has been sent, or to some other party?
To the party that I sent the mail, because it wasn't his fault, even though it was my fault. So it would be an apology to him for receiving such information which wasn't part of his business or whatever dealings that we had. So it's unnecessary information for him, right?
I am reminded of what happened 45, 50 years ago. Normally, in those days, we were having manual ledgers. One Kamal Kumar remitted money. It was credited to the account of another party. It was credited to account of other party. One minute. Hello. Link. 1 minute. I will tell you. Zoom ID is 374-351-5074. 351-5074. Are you a member of our Telegram group? Achha, 374-351-5074. Then passcode is 74. Passcode is number 8. V for victory, capital. N for navy, capital. Q for queen, small letter. N for navy, capital. E for England, capital. 374-351-5074. Number 8, VNQNE. ठीक है? 8 V number 8 बाबा 8 8 नंबर लिखिए 8 नंबर डालिए उसका बाद में VNQNE. अरे भाई No, I had to talk over that because some candidate has called through international. He had come online. That's why I had to talk to him. Yeah. So this is the reaction. Who was answering? Joe. Joe was telling that. So there is no definite answer for these questions. All of you switch off your mic. Whose mic is on? Some dog is shouting. Yeah. So there is no the correct action in this regard. Only thing is the clarity, the confidence with which you speak. That is what is more important. Could you understand, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
Sachin, you are not, your eyes are not clear. Possibly you are not, you need not fully get satisfied. But आपका मुख में तो बहुत दुख लग रहा है. I'm seeing
No, sir, no, not
anxiety
no,
दिख
sir.
रहा है. I'm seeing lot of anxiety on your face.
No, not that, not that.
Very good. See,
Fine.
Shubham Gupta's face, how nice is he smiling? Jishnu, how nicely is he smiling? You should also smile like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, is there any other topic you would like to take up for discussion? Some of you?
Sir, I want to ask which point we can add in this? If any point we can add in this.
See, there are different steps. One method is not to worry about it. Don't take any action. Whatever happens, future mein aane do. Koi baat nahi. Another action is you are aware of it. So please inform your boss immediately, either orally or through writing. Number
Sir,
4.
in such topics, the only there is only way. Sir. We have to inform our top management, and everyone will be talk like this. So is it? It will be impact, no, sir.
You are right. If everybody is going to tell the same thing, you can do like this. I agree with others when they say it has to be reported. Along with that, if we can have an access to the person concerned, we can request him to delete it or something which is possible or not possible, you can add.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is how we have to.
I would like to add one more point, sir.
Yeah.
If that information is of like confidential, like a password or something, we can consult with our top management and make it as invalid also. Cannot be used for future performance.
It's a good point, Sachin. If that information is a valid information, that is like passwords, then we can change it. But valid information need not be only passwords. It can be details about our party. Mukesh Ambani has got these deposits with us. Then Adani has got this much deposits with us. and like this, if we inform, that will be bringing bad name for the bank. In banking, secrecy is the information that is very important. Banker has to maintain secrecy. The first time document you will be signing in a bank after your joining report is banker's secrecy. That is, I will not talk about any of the customers to others. So, and that has
Hello,
to
sir.
be, yeah.
My question is like that. In the question, there is no mention that it was a password confidential, and my friend said that it was a password confidential. Can we assume that?
We can presume like that and speak, because we have to speak for some time. So there is nothing wrong in our imagining, adding some details. If it is like, say, account number of person or password of a person can be changed. If it can, or you can even use instead of password, if it is an information which can be modified so that that information will become ineffective, let us do that. But if it had been so, they would not have given in the question. You can imagine such a situation also. Could you follow? Or
Yes, sir.
let us presume like this. Sometimes it has happened, say some laborer's account credited with 4 crore rupees. Some simple laborer's account, 4 crore rupees credited. Then how do we go about under such situation? Immediately try to contact him and to see that he is not using that money and recover that money. This is a practical situation. See, in banking, instead of typing account number 51, if you type 52, it will go to 52. So that is the problem. One has to be very careful. So there is no the correct answer. Now I will give 1 minute for each one of you to speak out what you think about that. We will start with Shubham Gupta. Start.
Sir, on which this topic or bank related for?
No, not credit. I am talking about the email sent. Email sent.
Okay, sir.
You may
good
get the
evening.
same question tomorrow also.
Yes. Good evening, all of you. My name is Shubham Gupta, and I am glad to start this group discussion. As in this question, there is a situation where a confidential email has been sent to an unknown person. In this situation, I will first inform my upper authority.
Maybe unknown person or known person. Normally, emails go only to.
I'm sorry to interrupt. What was the question again, sir?
The question was, Sachin, you please read the question.
In the chat, sir.
Sachin, read.
I will put it in the chat, sir.
Please put it in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I continue, sir.
And why 1 minute? He is putting it in the chat. He is putting just now.
Wait a minute, sir. It will take some time. He can continue, sir.
Yeah. So actually, where is he? Jishnu, the question was.
Sir, can you put it? I am sending to you.
To me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have sent to my.
No, sir. Dictation is enough, sir. No problem.
No. It is like this.
Once again, if you repeat it, I'll catch it.
Yeah. See, you have you are working in a bank. After the working hours, you come to know that you have sent an email to a person for whom it should not be sent. That contains valuable information or confidential information. How will you react?
Should I start, sir?
Yeah.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Shubham Gupta, and I'm glad to start our group discussion. In our topic, there is an confidential email sent.
This need not be told. I'm glad to start a group discussion. Need not be told. You are starting. Straight away speak. Yeah.
Good evening, friends. My name is Shubham Gupta, and our group discussion topic is that we have sent an confidential email to a known or unknown person. So in this condition, first I will go to my senior and tell about the situation, and then ask for his help. And second condition, I will inform our IT cell.
Good. Right. Next, Sachin, we will come to you later. Nikhil.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I agree with your point, Shubham. So definitely we should inform our boss, but first we should check the opposite person. We are known or unknown person? If the person is known, then we should call him and said this is a very important. This is a very important details in our mail, so you can delete it. Or if there is an unknown person, then we should inform to our boss and also technical team that what boss suggested us, then we do accordingly. Thank you.
Thank you. Redmi, Mr. Redmi. Redmi, are you there? Not there. Then
Hello, sir. Yes, I'm
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Hello.
What is your name?
Sir, firstly, I apologize to all of you that I can't able to see you because I am on terrace and there is no light and I am
problem.
in
No problem.
village area, so
No
net
problem.
connection is also slow.
What is your name?
Okay, sir. Sir, I will agree with Shubham Gupta.
No, no. What is your name?
Because
What is
if that
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
my name is Balaji Chauhan, sir.
Balaji.
My name is Balaji Chauhan.
Yeah, tomorrow when you have interview, you should not be in such a position.
Yes, sir.
You must go to a browsing center for proper internet connection.
Yes, sir. I will go. I have arranged for that. I will go to Parbhani city.
Good. Now continue.
Sir, I am agree with Shubham Gupta that if I will send a mail to someone who is unknown person or known person. Firstly, I will tell this situation to my manager, and I will try to meet them whom in that, and I tell him that the information is confidential. So will try to delete that mail. Will him he will not take a legal action.
Yeah, very good. Now, Redmi, your broadband width is not all right. It is not coming correctly. You just listen to others speaking. Jishnu? Jishnu Sriram Kumar.
As our dear friend suggested that we should be informing the concerned authority. The next step I would like to do is that to send a follow-up email to that person who received this wrong information, and I will request him to kindly ignore it.
Again, sending one more email to him, Hare Baba.
Because
I
if
don't
he's
think it is correct.
already a member,
No, true,
okay.
but there is no fun in sending another email to him. Maybe we can think of contacting him through cell phone or so, or through his friends. Instead of again committing yourself by sending email, that is not, I won't suggest that. Who is the next person to speak? Shubham Gupta. Just now come. Shubham Gupta, did you come just now or you were there? So you were
I
there.
was
You
there, sir.
participated. You participated. Preeti Tonge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please tell what is your reaction to this situation.
Sir, I will try to send 4 to 5 dummy mails. So the unknown person will think that the received mail is just a bank promotion.
That is what Sachin also told earlier. I mean, you send 2 or 3 more emails so that he gets confused with this. But it depends on
Yes,
what
sir.
type of information is that. What type of information is that? Confidential information. If it is relating to, say, the account details of the parties, and it should not reach others, then that may cause difficulties. Of course, your answer is not wrong, but that you have to tell in sentences with full confidence. Preeti, now try again. How will you react on this situation?
Sir, I will try immediately. I will immediately report to my bank manager,
Good.
and after that,
Yeah.
after that time, I will take the action according to my bank manager.
Manager's instructions. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is fine. That's okay. Rahul Jadhav, बताइए. Rahul, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am here. Hello, sir.
Have you spoken? Otherwise, speak once again.
Yes. I am speaking.
Yeah.
First, I will try to solve this problem myself by meeting that person and request him to delete that message. And if he is agree, it is okay. And if he is not agree with that, I will be meet with that company manager and the senior official. And I also will be tell this to my senior officer. And whatever the action with consulting with my colleagues and the senior officer, that action will be taken by my whole bank officer manager.
Good.
Thank you.
Now, boys, girls, anytime this connection may come to an end, and after that, you can join with the same password. After 10 minutes, it will be 5-6 minutes, it will be over. Then after 1 minute, we will come again. That's it. Okay, good. Radhav, it is only whatever we are discussing is not the correct stand 100%. We are only trying to experience how to communicate in English. That is the idea. Vishwa Teja, can you speak now? Vishwa Teja.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Am I able? Hello?
Yeah, audible.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir,
yes.
The mistake is already happened. We have to contact our data security system, whichever is established by our company. Security system will be there. We need to contact them. That they will. We need not to feel embarrassing to tell that one. We have to keep the mistake under the carpet. As it is remark for both personal and corporational.
Correct. Now, is there anybody computer graduate here among this group? Anybody computer? Because I don't know, is there any scope for recalling the email sent by us already?
No, not at all, sir. I searched for it on the Google. They are saying no, there is no option.
Possibility is there.
No, if he has not opened,
retrieving is not there.
But our Sachin says there is no such. Sachin says
I searched for it on the Google suggest. I searched recently, so I read it the whole content of that question that whether we are able to retrieve the message. As you said that it's just for 2 to 3 seconds that we can undo the message, but after that it is not possible.
Very good. Now we have Sethuram who has joined. Others, please switch off your mic. Others, switch off your mic. All of you, please switch off your mic. All of you, switch off your mic. Sethuram, you had interview or you are going to have tomorrow?
Yes, I am going to have tomorrow, sir.
Very good, very good. That's right. Why? It's okay. We started little early. Don't worry. If this meeting comes to an end, you can log in with the same ID again. We will meet for one more time for another 40 minutes so that we can try to learn something more. The idea is we should develop our ability to communicate in English. Sethuram.
Yes, sir.
Sethuram, can you please talk about this situation? You are working in a bank. After the closing hours, you come to know that you have sent an email to a wrong person with confidential information. How will you react on this? Sethuram, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will try to contact him in my personal mail or anything I could able to retrieve the mail. I will check also that side also.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you. That's right. Now, any other questions you would like to ask before the last 5 minutes when it is going to come to an end? Would you like to add some more points? Sachin, you want to say something?
Sir, I want to ask the one point that Jishnu said that we have to put the possibility that the data may contain ID and password. So will it be good to put at the first as we are initiating the topic? will it be positive that if we put the possibility initiating it the GD?
Acha,
Will it be-
in this type of discussions, I think nowadays they are allowing you half a minute to speak first. Thereafter, only it is a general discussion. In that general discussion, you can initiate. It is good. It is good if you initiate, and it is not a mistake. You are not initiating first. Everybody cannot initiate first.
No, sir. I just asking that if we put the possibility that the data may have the ID and password, then and then only we can change it.
Yeah.
Is it good that we should
No,
put
no,
this possibility?
it is not easy to change the password because passwords are to be communicated to all the relevant parties, not only our bank, maybe other banks also, other branches also. Usko change karna utna aasan nahi hai. Possibly, this is a distress situation. Bank may have another set of passwords ready and to communicate to relevant people. For example, now if we want to change the password, meeting ID, that has to be communicated through whatever sources available. I requested you to do it. I posted in Telegram like that. So that is also one of the suggestions we can give. After all, it is only our ability to communicate that is tested. Yeah, passwords can be changed. You know, there is a concept known as SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Internet Financial Transaction, International Financial Transaction, SWIFT. Through that only Punjab National Bank, Delhi, they committed frauds to an extent of 13 crores. In that, what happened? They prepared messages that are to be sent through SWIFT, but they did not include the details in the books of banks. They sent it outside the books of banks, and bank was made liable for that because when the passwords were deciphered, they were correct. So Punjab National Bank had to reimburse others 13 crores. So Nirav Modi case, that is Nirav Modi case. You must have heard this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is a similar situation where, you know, we send some material to unknown person. There the material was sent purposely. Two people colluded, one deputy general manager and one senior manager or somebody. They colluded and defrauded the bank. Yeah. Pallav Joshi has come. Pallav Joshi, if this meeting comes to an end, please re-log in again because we started some time back. Anytime it may come to an end. Pallav Joshi,
Okay, sir.
One point was in starting.
Another one minute or 2 minutes. I will just go and drink water and come. That's all. Okay. Yeah. So.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir. Sir, I have given some topics to you in WhatsApp. Can we discuss that topics also?
You are given in WhatsApp? Yeah, I will discuss that also. Don't worry.
I have sent you.
Acha, what is the number? Your ending number?
8767325527. 5427 is ending number, sir.
5? Yeah, or starting number bolo?
I have sent.
No, starting number bolo.
8767.
8768. Okay.
Start is 8167.
You have sent to my, there are two numbers. Which number you sent? I have 90030 37557. Which one did you send?
Sir, I 003037.
Oh,
I have sent on this.
समझ गया. 83758. Then 1 minute. Then thank you very 85008. No. No problem. You can speak it out here next time when we meet. Okay.
if hello, Redmi, and I don't
Okay,
know your
sir.
name.
Okay.
If you have the
Yes,
text,
sir.
you can type in the text box. Yeah, if you have in the form of text.
Yeah, very good.
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. Shall I
Okay.
close it now? 1 minute only is there. Less than 1 minute.
Sir,
I'm
I
closing now.
don't know.
Thank you.
Sir,
Please come again, all of you. Come again.